upload it on YouTube. Well, I hope you like it, but actually karena ka vlog kalong plan ban sna nadu menin handrai tangba ngamyo por tanga haban sna mata. Right now I'm already here in Light Nong Rem, so it's the best place, beautiful place you can see. I haven't reached this place, so you can come and visit it anytime. So it's a beautiful place. You can see it's a nice place. Kabas kajaka. Da perlu it sa isen on OIP kakateng jonga ada Daniel, so lada fi internet kan ka video jonga kabangan sa like mentang apo YouTube. Ke sobha sa support lam yang phinom lut pisahi phinom iu hi sobha sia jarngu nga iu fi support yang don ka like button tu fila ban press ko tu dekadon ka notification bell hang turut fila ban yon itu subscribe button film so tanat film internet ka video jong arok kam le kam fer makadang de ka video ka bening kong jong ate fila ban comment hatu ka don ka comment section tu fila ban comment tu comment section dengan sapule ban ngan saya le hero ban reply gitu iu jong fi de ka bamentahi ngan I'll try to explore this place. So this is my first time here, so okay, let's see. Hey guys, as I'm telling you that the place is very beautiful, so you can have a look out here, look by yourself. This is a very beautiful place, and please I suggest you to visit sometimes. Look, now it's a sunset time, so
lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. That's driving and I keep running. Let's spin to alive. Life is happy but it's something. We must really make it shine. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, there's something you Savannah. Savannah.